So the first hairstyle features someone adding some platinum clip-ins to their hair. Now she is of course doing the contrasting color trend with this idea. Love the way this looks. Now you can do this with any color that you desire, and it is a great way to try out some of the most popular color trends that we're seeing this season without having to make that major commitment of actually dyeing your hair. So she ended up going with blonde and then braiding the front. Really cute, fun hairstyle, perfect for the spring and summer season. And then now she has tried out the trend with red. Cute half up, half down style. Very nice. So she did several different colors for this last look. Loving the pink red vibes, the snap clips, very 90s. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle. And today's video is going to showcase a variety of spring and summer hairstyles that you can rock this season. So if you have been thinking of some new ways or wanting some new ways to shake up your boring strands, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with gorgeous curly hair. This is a very simple, chic, everyday style that you can rock out, especially on those days when it's warm and hot. I love her natural texture, so pretty. And then we have someone once again going in with the colored clip-ins. So I did mention this in another video, but this is a great way to rock the trend out, the money piece highlight look, or the undercolor trend. And then we have someone going in and actually dyeing their money piece bangs. Looks like she's going with blonde. And then we have a ponytail hairstyle. So let me know in the comments below, would you try any of these hairstyles out for yourself? Here we have someone rocking the tinsel ponytail trend. So tinsel is another trend that we're seeing this season. I have a whole video dedicated to that trend, so definitely check it out if you're interested in seeing more of that. Here we have someone curling their hair with a flat iron. Nice, simple, chic, everyday style. And then we have someone trying out the pop of color trend with their braids. So she has some purple here that she's going to be using. And if you are heading to festival season, or if you're heading to a festival rather this season, you might want to check out some of these options for your hair as well. They're a great way to mix in some color just for a night out at the festival. Very pretty, and she did add some beads at the end as well. Oh, I love her makeup that she did to match the braids. So cute. And I really like that purple and fuchsia mix. Another way that you can rock the colored hair trend is through a wig. So here we have someone rocking various different colors. Followed by this high ponytail, half up, half down style. And then we get another cute high ponytail look with the flip. Very popular style as well, followed by a braided updo. This is a very intricate braid done and twist at the end into this updo. So pretty and fun. This would make for a great hairstyle to wear to prom as well. And then we have another braided hairstyle. So this is the upside down braided look that we're going to be seeing being done here. You can attempt to do this one by yourself. It is quite difficult though, so I would have a friend help you out. Or you can of course go to your stylist to get it done as well. I think that this look would also look really pretty with some of those colored extensions that we saw previously in the video. And with this style, you typically do a bun at the top, or you could do two buns as well. You really want to show off the back portion of the hair with the braids. Very cute style. Alright you guys, so I hope that you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you next time.